Hey there all YouTubers. In my last couple videos I was showing you guys how much fun I was having burning real wood splits in my pellet grill, using it as a turbocharger to stoke the flames and the fire of the burning wood in my pellet grill. Now the thing is, I told some of you guys I'm going to be taking it up to a new level. We're going up. And my first process in going up is I want to do Santa Maria style grilling in this with real wood splits. Now the thing is, there's plenty of Santa Maria style attachments out there, and a lot of you guys already have them. And you know, I've never been much of a monkey see monkey do kind of barbecue channel. I always wanted to do something my way and whatever works for me. And the thing is a lot of those attachments are all carbon steel, and they got the carbon grate, and I'm just not down with it. And I really didn't like the idea of moving the meat up and down, I wanted something that was going to be stainless steel, and my thoughts were I wanted the wood and the charcoal, the hot flames to move. I wanted a stable grate where the food stayed on. You know, that doesn't move. We're moving the fire. Okay, you follow me on that? We're moving the fire. That's what I wanted. And my plans were to get a stainless grate. Stainless will not rust. Indestructible. And I wanted something that you could move the fire. Well, I figured I gotta build it. Well, let me tell you, I found an accessory out there that is doing exactly what I had in mind. Yep, can you believe it? I can't believe it, but I found it, and I'm going to show it to you right now. Alright, so here it is. It's the Caliente Argentine Tuscan Santa Maria style attachment made for the Weber kettle. Okay, it's originally made for the Weber kettle, but my pellet grill is all standard 22.5 inch. It all stacks and it all sits together. Now look at this. You will put your cooking grate right here. That stays stable, and then you have your up and down, moving your fire. Okay, we're moving the fire. We're not moving the cooking grate. All right. So let me just show you. You guys know I'm all about the stainless. Look at that. That kind of looks familiar, huh? So let me just show you with this magnet here. Stainless, stainless, stainless. Now, there are some carbon components that will rust, like these brackets here, that rod right there, and the charcoal grate holder. That is carbon, but we're going to season that. We'll spray it down and we'll season it. Now, the bolts here, that's all stainless. That's stainless. This rod right here, that's all stainless. All stainless. Okay, look at those. Fancy, all stainless. Handle, stainless. Now you're probably looking at this and saying, okay, well, most of those Santa Maria style attachments have a ratchet kind of thing. And you're probably wondering, well, how's it going to go up and down and stay? Well, let me tell you, it's pretty ingenious design. This handle right here is solid stainless, and it's pretty darn heavy. So you just go around one time, and look at that. The weight holds it right there. I mean, you're only talking about this metal here. Now, it doesn't come with a charcoal grate. I'll show you. I got a new Weber charcoal grate that fits in here. You put that on there. Now this is just going to go around like that, and the weight. So you're not click 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 click. There's none of that. I mean, and your adjustment on that. Okay, look at that, just like that. So let me show you. Take us down. Take us down. Hold on. Okay, so from the charcoal fire grate up to the grate level. See that? It's about 13, almost 13 and a half inches. Okay, so I got 13 and a half inches between the fire and the grate. All right, hold on, let me put some of this together. And don't forget, you know, I got the turbocharger down there with the holes, you know, the blowing and all that stuff. Turbocharged pellet grill. Yeah, that's right. Hold on. Now let me just tell you, this is designed to sit on the Weber kettle. Okay, it doesn't have this ring. You guys know that I have this ring from years now, and I've fed logs through, and you know, different setups and all that. Now the thing is you set this on a kettle, that's fine and dandy, but just say you're doing some long cook and you need to refuel, you know, that's all closed. Your charcoal here, it's sitting here, you're all enclosed. How you gonna refuel? Well, you might have to, I don't know, pick up the cooking grate and try to throw more charcoal or more wood in there. Well, you know, being heavy metal style, I just incorporated this attachment. You guys have seen that way, you know, many times in the past. So I need to refuel just like that. Taking it to a new level, people. Just like that. So as you can see, I got a new Weber charcoal grate I put in there, and my expanded metal grate, you know, that keeps the smaller pieces of charcoal up from dropping down in. So there you have it, just like that. Now hold on, there's more surprises. Okay, so like I said, I never liked those Santa Maria grills that are out there because they were all carbon, and if you don't take care of them, they're going to rust. Well, look what I have here. Sweet, very sweet, stainless steel, heavy duty expanded metal cooking grate from my buddy Greg over at the Woodshed Smoking BBQ. I want to thank you for this, Greg. Now I am all stainless, true heavy metal, true heavy metal style. Look at that, people. Is that awesome or what? Now, even going further, I could put this Weber lid on here, okay? And you can't do that with the standard kind of Santa Maria attachment or any of those open flame style grills. But there you go, right there, man. Check it out. One more thing, let me explain one more thing about this. Now the reason I was never down with this the standard size Santa Maria grill is you're moving the food grate up and down, and it's all open. With this design here, you got your fire and your hot coals, okay, and it's keeping all the heat contained. So it has to come up and it has to hit your food right here. You know, if it's a little bit windy or something, you know, your heat and your flames are shooting off the side or going wherever. I mean, maybe I'm wrong, I never had one, you know, but this is the idea that I had to keep all that heat contained, concentrated on what you're grilling, what you're cooking. And look at that, smooth. So now the thing that I have to do is I want to spray all these carbon components down and the grate and everything, and I need to season this stuff. So there you have it, folks. Heavy metal style. Okay, so I got all the carbon parts and pieces all sprayed down real good with cooking oil, and I also have the stainless cooking grate sprayed down with cooking oil, and nothing left to do now except to to get those splits and that leftover charcoal fired up, and let's season this thing. All right, let's go. All right, so there's the deal. Just like that. If anybody's wondering, doesn't know, this was an old Weber rotisserie ring right here that I cut access panels in there. See, there's 1, 2, and this larger one here. Access for refueling. You know, you've seen it many times in the past. So I don't know if you can see those waves of heat. See how it's all contained? Like, that's kind of what I'm talking about. Why I wanted something like this to contain the heat. A set cooking grate, raise and lower the fire. That was my thoughts and plans, and I found this attachment. And oh, let's kick on this turbo boost. Kick on that. Yeah. Kick that on. The turbo. See those flames just taking off now? This is Santa Maria style on steroids right here, people. Heavy metal style. Yeah, that's what it is. It's heavy metal style. Now, just want to say I purchased this attachment, and you know, I'm not sponsored, affiliated, or have anything to do with this company or any of the products I use. I just use them because they work for me, and that's what I'm down with. I mean, I'm not pushing any products to make a buck off of you guys, you know. I buy my stuff. I ain't worried about making money. Just showing you what works for me, people. Alright, so this works for me. Let's get that going and season it up. Heavy metal style. Alright, so let me just get this lid on here just to contain all this heat. You know, to bring the temps up to burn off all that oil and season all that carbon, and that's what it's looking like. Alright, so for all those who dig this, thanks, man. Check it out. Seasoning nicely. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, it's gonna be killer. Killer, I tell you. Yeah, turbocharged. Turbocharged, people. Metal style.